night to a brighter day. Through glass and crowd, lines of flame, she saw the stars and spoke their name. While others doubted what light could prove, she traced their essence, their cosmic truth. Light's first breath in bright array. The colors sang, the elements spoke, in every line the heavens woke. Her truth was silent, softly denied, but the stars themselves were on her side. We are made of fire, we are born of flame, hydrogen hearts that bear her name. Across the dark, her courage came. She knew what stars are made of. In the spectrum song, she found the key to what it means for light to be. The universe whispered clear and kind, you've seen the soul of every Ooh, now every sun that lights the deep is part of the dream she dared to keep. Her name once hidden, her truth once veiled.